guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today I am playing with our new release, Picnic Fun. It's such an adorable stamp set. I love this cute little picnic table with the umbrella. I did some paper piecing. It just looks super cute that way. You can have a lot of fun with your pattern papers. I also colored it up with the Copic markers. I put a little bit of highlights on there so it looks nice and shiny. Just super fun. Then we've got the cute little banner that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use the cute panda with the little basket. And the pie and the apples. I'm going to save this little cute little chick for my next card in this basket. Or I could use it on the inside of the card. So I've cut out my pieces here. I'm using Lawn Fawn Stitch Square die here, and then I cut an oval out, and this is an MFT die. So what I'm going to do is ink blend the background with a cloud stencil. So I'm using the MFT cloud stencil. If you don't have a cloud stencil, go ahead and rip paper in the shape of clouds. I love doing it like that. It actually looks more realistic. So then we've got a grassy border die. So use any grassy border die that you have. And then that's how I am going to do it. So I laid a grass down at the bottom, and then on the inside of my circle here, I'm also putting some grass. So I'm going to put some clouds on the inside of the circle, and I'm going to leave the frame white, so I'll put that to the side. I'll grab some scratch paper so I don't get my surface all inky. And then we'll just create some really cute clouds. So I'm using Salty Ocean and a blending brush. I'm using the Picket Fence Studio Blender brush. And I want my clouds to be nice and subtle. And I'm just going to bring my stencil down. And then flip it around to get some different shapes. I'm going to do some on an angle. And then I'm going to go in from the bottom with the blue. So I'm going to glue my grass down and my pieces. So I'll just use some liquid adhesive to glue down the grass. So I want to tuck in the picnic table underneath this grass here. So let me get my card base so we could start gluing this stuff together. After consideration, I decided to take this out. I just think this looked better, and then I'm going to put the "You're Invited" sentiment right there. And then on the inside, I'm going to stamp Picnic Fun. So what I want to do is use some inks to kind of shade around this oval, but on the inside. So let's do that. And I'm going to use a green. So I'm just going to take one of my smaller brushes and just do a little ink blending. So I'm going to imagine my oval. Okay, so let's start putting this together. So this is a 5x5 card. It's going to have a little white frame all around. I'm going to add some glue here to my umbrella. Let's add our little banner to the corner. For the super cute panda, we could stick him down here in the corner. He's just so adorable. And now we have a perfect place for our sentiment. For my sentiments, I love to use VersaFine Clair. It just gives it a crisp image. So I'm just going to stamp the Picnic Fun on the inside. I'm going to add this little cute little basket. So I'm going to save this cutie for another card or tag. I want to use the sentiment, "You're a cutie pie" with this guy. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put the frame on. Oh no. I meant to put this frame on before I added all those images. Oh well. So I'm going to add some sequins to top this card off. I'm going to use these blue sequins from Rabbit Hole Designs. That's such a shame I forgot to do the frame. I think that's good enough. So that will complete this cute little card. I decided to make a cute little tag with the leftover image. And since I forgot to use the frame on the card, I might as well use the frame and the background that I didn't use on a tag. So I've got the sentiment, "Hey Cutie Pie" from the stamp set, and I'm going to stamp that right here. I'm going to practice stamping out on a scratch piece of paper first. So we've got the "Hey Cutie Pie." I'm going to stamp out the little pies and make a little background. And I think I might want to just do a black and white background. So I'm going to put this to the side. We will get a scratch piece of paper so we could do some stamping off the page. I'm just going to use that VersaFine Clair. And I'm going to twist and turn my stamp image so it looks more random. That's all the stamping that I'll need to do. Okay, I got my background, my frame. Let's add some glue to the frame. Make sure it's in the center. And our cute little guy will go right here. I'm going to pop him up with some foam dots. I think I will add this to a card front. See, I didn't even know I was going to make a second card. And I got so inspired, I just created a second card out of nowhere. I'm just having a lot of fun with this release. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And I'd love to see what you make. Hashtag me, not too shabby shop. If you do, post a photo on social media. There he is. So cute. I put little polka dots on the apron. So now I'm going to put this on a card front. Okay, I found some paper that's going to work, and what I was really looking for was the red and white, like gingham or plaid. But I found these, so let's see which one's going to look better. Got this one. Let's see. It's okay, but I don't like that it's missing the stripe right here going down. Maybe if it was on an angle. Let's see. Or we've got this option. I'm not sure if I'm liking the black on black like this. See, I think the red would have looked better. Yes, I'm loving this much better. So this is a Lawn Fawn piece of paper from the new release, and it's close to a red, but it's kind of like a pink red, and it really makes this black and white background pop. So this is how the card turned out. Very cute and simple. And then my other card, you're invited, picnic fun on the inside. Super cute. Wish I would have put the frame in, but better luck next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed these two cards today, and I'd love to see what you create with the new stamp set, Picnic Fun. Please hashtag me, not too shabby shop, and I will check out your project. Don't forget to check out our inspiration hop. We are doing a giveaway on that video hop. All you have to do is leave a comment on each video, and you'll get lots of inspiration for the new release. So check that out. I'll have the link in the description box for you. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.